Hello everybody, this is part 3 of the 1977 Honda Trail 70 being restored, and I'll go over there some of the things that we've done to it. Here's my little helper. He likes to explore this stuff. There we go. So I took all the black parts off and I sanded them down and repainting them, so they've all been repainted. And I took out the bearings, cleaned them up today. They were completely dried out, so they definitely had to be done. There's the triple tree. Once we get that done, I'll take a look at the engine. This bike sat out in the rain for about 20 years, so it's going to need a few things, but surprisingly the chrome was in good shape for being outdoors in a semi-desert climate in Central Oregon. And you can see I got a crap load of parts everywhere. I had to order new rims because the rims were too rusty, and new seat pan. The seat pan was not cracked or anything, but it was rusted along the edges. And let's get my camera to focus here. Surprisingly, inside here is nice and rust-free. A lot of these are pretty crappy looking inside, but this one is not bad. And yesterday I went ahead and cleaned up the lower shock tubes and repainted them. And yes, in 77 they were painted, the bottom tubes not polished. And took all this apart. Big old pile of pieces there. This will be fun putting that back together. I've done a lot of these bikes over the years, so I remember how they go together. Yep. And one of the other things I'm probably going to have to do is replace those blinkers. They're kind of scraped along the sides. And here's a seat. Went ahead and reupholstered that. And of course, with the emblem on there. And it's not too bad. I reused the old foam cushion that's in there from the factory. There we go, that back. But I guess this is it for part 2. And next phase will be start reassembling. Now that we got most of the parts cleaned up and the gloss black parts repainted. I'm not going to repaint this bike because it's not that bad of a condition. I'm one of those that likes to keep it as original as possible. Now, if it's completely rotted, rusted, then yes, I'll repaint those pieces, but I'm not going to redo the whole bike. I like to keep it original. Like they say, it's only original once. Okay, enjoy the video.